You are watching Master of PDFs. Aesthetic note-taking.
Do you doodle on your notes? Well, if you're doodling about the lecture content, it may actually improve your studying. Aesthetic note-taking adds visual appeal to the learning process. Having notes that look good and are well organized gives you more motivation to study. If notes are messy and all over the place, it becomes difficult to focus on the material. First trick, if your notes look messy and have scribbles, scan and apply filters to make them look better. The clear filter, which is my favorite, removes shadows and denoises color scans, making notes cleaner and more legible. Use highlighting and shapes when revising notes to trigger the brain to pay attention here. Add captions and speech bubbles to the diagrams. It makes learning more enjoyable and helps reinforce specific details. Color code things. Green for X, red for Y. This will speed up revisions. Don't highlight the whole definition of something. Highlight the word being defined. Well, effective or a waste of time? You decide. But it's so much more motivating to see an aesthetically pleasing document.
Next on Master of PDFs.